expecting more severe weather as we move into Wednesday, but we saw significant severe weather yesterday on Sunday that caused quite a bit of damage. Some of the damage reports that were reported were in Moultrie and Coles County. Many people without power due to down power lines and tree damage due to wind. In Effingham County, they saw marble-sized hail. In Coles County, they saw hail up to 1 inch in diameter. That was in Ashmore. And in Champaign County in Tolono, even a building collapsed due to the damage of this severe weather moving through the area. Now, we are expecting more severe weather on its way. The system that we just saw on Sunday is now making its way eastward, affecting Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. But another system is on its way and is developing out west and will eventually make its way eastward, affecting us here in Illinois. Now, as for our high temperatures for today, we saw high temperatures in the 50s here in Charleston, although we didn't quite reach out of the 40s in Danville with a high of 46 degrees. Overnight tonight, we're going to see a drop in temperature getting down into the 30s with a low of 32 degrees right at that freezing point. And along with that, we're going to be seeing decreasing clouds with partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Now, those clouds will return to us as we move into tomorrow. But first, here on Futurecast, we're seeing those clouds beginning to decrease, leaving us with mostly clear skies for our morning hours tomorrow. Eventually, those clouds once again will return to us tomorrow afternoon and evening, leaving us with partly cloudy skies for our day tomorrow. Now, those partly cloudy skies will stay with us throughout most of the day, along with a warmer temperature tomorrow of 53 degrees, a little bit warmer than what we saw today, but still only in the 50s for the day tomorrow. The warmer weather is partly due to the winds we're seeing blowing out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And those warmer temperatures will only continue as we move into Wednesday with a high of 69 degrees, although we will see that chance for severe weather and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Temperatures will begin to cool down as we move into Thursday, but the rain will only continue with a high of 55 degrees and a chance of rain showers. Once again, that rain continuing as we finish off this work week, with rain once again on Friday and decreasing temperatures with a high of 54 degrees. Now, as for Wednesday, we are placed under enhanced risk for severe weather, according to the Storm Prediction Center. And this means there is a high possibility for strong winds, possible hail, and possible tornadic activity as this system moves through. Now, looking at the timing of this system, it's still a rough outline of when we're going to receive this because it is a few days out, but the rain will begin to fall in the early afternoon hours, eventually becoming more strong, heavier rainfall as we move into the early evening. Eventually, that heavier rainfall will still affect us in the late evening hours. We'll see a slight break from this rain. Eventually, more rainfall will begin to fall as we move overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Now, that rain will only continue on Thursday, eventually continuing on Friday with temperatures dropping down into the 50s for Friday. And as we start our weekend, more rain is expected, with rain on Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures cooling down into the 40s with a high of 42 degrees on Saturday, getting down to just around 40 degrees on Sunday. And finally, we will see a break from the rain on Monday with